Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. What are you doing there, doggy? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army and Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Save a little time on the initial top opening. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Starts off with some paper wadding, and again I already took the manifest out. With Army Navy Outdoors, they do include pictures to help with identifying multiple items from each other. So in no particular order, let's go ahead and unload this whole thing. That way you get an idea of what we got to work with here. Okay, so now I can get the box out of the way. Right away, I see here, number one here, the ACU FLC Fighting Load Carrier Vest Kit, military surplus. So let's see here, just their storage label, surplus MOLLE load carrier vest with pouches, ACU. Let's see if we can get these tape section open. That's separate. So that's FLC, there's probably the pouches right there. Typical mesh vest, MOLLE, zipper area down the front, plastic buckles, hard to tell what material this metal is. It is not magnetic, which is good. From a military aspect, those are magnetic. These rear buckles here. Let's see, we got the grab handle across the top, metal buckles at the top I can feel magnetic. Looks like these are actually taped down. It's kind of interesting. And alright, so let's go ahead and see. No, I see the tag, but I might be glossing over it real quick. That's the vest portion. Then we have MOLLE 2 1-quart Canteen general purpose pouch, the specialty group, NSN number, etc. Getting a typical laundry aroma. Very nice, pleasant. Looks like we got somebody's writing on there. MOLLE 2 M4 double mag pouch, specialty defense, NSN number. No label on this one. Oh, there we go. Also specialty group, a little bit more worn out. Similarly, it's a different lot. And fourth one, very crisp label, specialty group. So all same vendor, and looks like with just the one grenade pouch. Okay. Specialty defense, MOLLE 2 hand grenade pouch. So, again, the ACU FLC Fighting Low Carrier Vest Kit. So, next item, let's continue with the ACU MOLLE Entrenching Tool Cover, military surplus. Plastic buckle. You can see how the cinch strap has its own little retention area. Grommet at the bottom, large one. Also the mag pouches have their own grommet. Let's see, here we have our label, specialty group /TXD, entrenching tool, pouch assembly, MOLLE 2 MSN number. So, again, ACU, MOLLE entrenching tool cover military surplus. And over here we have 2 of the military issue 1-quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap. So you got some barcodes on there from their own stock. So this could possibly go right into here. Just like that. You see how we have the side pouches in addition to that canteen. Alright, and then last but not least, USMC OKC-3S bayonet and scabbard used. So, already it's in very good condition, even if it is used. See all the MOLLE snap down points, depending on how do you want to rig this. Plastic scabbard, rubberized handle, USMC logos. See this pommel end with the lug release area, barrel area, matte blade, serrated partial serrated edge, sharpened top portion as well for half, combat USMC, OK-3S Ontario Knife Company. Very nice. So I am going to put it back this way for this handedness. And you can see the various snap points, like so. But I guess we can mount it the other way as well. I might flip that right back around. But at the moment, quickly do that. Okay. So, I'm not going to bother with that right now. We have, in reverse now, USMC OKC-3S bayonet and scabbard used. Continuing, we also had 2 of the military issue 1-quart canteen with M1 NBC caps. See the flip tops there. And we also had the ACU MOLLE entrenching tool cover military surplus. And then we also started off with this pouch kit for the ACU FLC Fighting Load Carrier vest kit. So these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on MILSERP tools and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.